Are you wondering how long you should stick with Brilliant Bank? Maybe you've just opened an account, or perhaps you're weighing your options and trying to decide if it's the right long-term financial partner for you. That's a smart question to ask. Choosing a bank isn't like picking out a new coffee shop. It's a decision that can significantly impact your financial well-being. So, let's dive into what you should consider when determining how long Brilliant Bank should be your bank. First, think about your immediate needs. Did you open a Brilliant Bank account for a specific purpose? Perhaps you needed a high-yield savings account for a short-term goal, like saving for a down payment on a car or a dream vacation. If Brilliant Bank offered a particularly competitive interest rate or a promotional bonus that attracted you, then your timeline might be tied to that specific goal or the duration of the offer. Once you've achieved your savings target or the promotional period ends, it's perfectly reasonable to reevaluate if Brilliant Bank still aligns with your evolving financial landscape. Consider, too, the convenience factor. How well does Brilliant Bank integrate into your daily life? Are there ATMs easily accessible in your neighborhood and workplace? Is their online and mobile banking platform user-friendly and reliable? If you consistently find yourself frustrated by a lack of convenient branches, high ATM fees for out-of-network withdrawals, or a clunky digital experience, these could be indicators that Brilliant Bank might not be the best long-term fit, regardless of other benefits. Your banking should simplify your life, not add unnecessary hurdles. Now, let's look at the bigger picture, your long-term financial goals. Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or even 20 years? Are you planning to buy a home, invest for retirement, or start a business? Does Brilliant Bank offer the range of services and products that will support these ambitions? If you foresee needing a mortgage, investment accounts, business loans, or financial planning services down the line, it's worth investigating whether Brilliant Bank can adequately meet those needs. If their offerings in these areas are limited or less competitive compared to other institutions, it might be wise to consider a bank that can grow with you. Customer service is another crucial aspect to evaluate over time. How has your experience been when you've needed assistance? Are their representatives knowledgeable, responsive, and helpful? Building a long-term relationship with a bank often involves needing support at some point, whether it's resolving a transaction issue, understanding a fee, or navigating a new financial product. Consistent positive customer service experiences can be a strong reason to stay with Brilliant Bank, while repeated frustrations might signal it's time to explore alternatives. Finally, take a look at the fees associated with your Brilliant Bank accounts. Are they transparent and reasonable for the services you use? Over time, even seemingly small monthly fees can add up significantly. Regularly review your account statements and fee schedule to ensure you're not paying for services you don't need or that you could obtain more affordably elsewhere. A bank that consistently increases fees or has hidden charges might not be the most sustainable long-term option. Ultimately, there's no magic number for how long you should use Brilliant Bank. The right answer is deeply personal and depends on your individual financial circumstances, goals, and experiences. Continuously evaluate whether Brilliant Bank is meeting your needs effectively and offering competitive value. Don't be afraid to explore other options if you find that another institution aligns better with your current and future financial aspirations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.